Hey guys, Mike Bland from St. Louis here, doing a video with our sniper training school. And also for clarification, I had a guy, it's one of those things I've learned when you become a YouTuber. Unfortunately, there's some of that running defense or, having to explain yourself or your credentials and those kind of things. And, I also understand that's the world we live in right now. When I was growing up, people, if they had a problem, they contacted you directly, and basically we were men. And today, the world we live in is people in their mom's basement on a computer, or people that are either jealous or they're just full of hate and they just want to start spouting off things. So I do want to make a disclaimer for these videos, these surveillance videos I'm putting on, the stalking, the sniper training, the surveillance, the reconnaissance, all of these things for people, whether you're a prepper, police, military, civilian, whatever you're doing, or preparing for some disaster scenario. I was in law enforcement my whole career, still in law enforcement. I've been in numerous tactical training schools like police sniper, escape and evasion, all kinds of different tactical training. And I was never active military. I was not a military sniper, and I've never claimed to be on anything I've ever talked about. So I did want to say that, like I said, had a gentleman say a lot of colorful things to me yesterday morning, and you can't let that stuff get to you, but he was making all kinds of claims, saying I was a veteran. I was saying I was a Marine sniper. I was a disgrace to my country. He was reporting me to the Department of Defense. Really someone that operates on emotion and has no rational thinking at all. So again, sorry I had to waste 3 minutes of your life explaining that, but I do realize that if I'm going to be making videos and training people, that people do want to know your credentials. So I also ran an investigations company on my own in St. Louis for 8 years, and so basically I have 28 years total experience of doing tactical training, drug raids, investigations, everything from somebody stealing milk off the front porch to suspected Russian terrorist filming bridges in St. Louis. So I've done a whole vast array of things, but this video again is going to be like a reconnaissance training video. And it could be used in many scenarios, but we're in a wooded area, and I'm going to show you from my experience in training and combined with the private investigation surveillance training, if you're going to be setting up on someone to do surveillance, or like in a survival scenario, trying to grab intelligence, on your enemies or some kind of threat, how to do that, how far away to be, what equipment you need, and just the mindset. And then also some of the other things from the other videos will also naturally be incorporated in this, like the noise, light, and litter discipline, and being in tune with your surroundings, being quiet, being stealthful, being camouflaged properly, and proper note taking. That's going to be the key thing. I'm going to hone in on this, and then as well as, like I said, some of the actual tactics as far as doing the surveillance or the reconnaissance. But so all right guys, stay tuned for the videos coming up. Thanks.